Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna try to get rid of one very annoying problem that I have with this Mercedes, which is this piece of hose. Actually, you can see how this is strapped in from the previous owner. Actually, this goes underneath the intake manifold, and what happens is now I can't even start the car because of it, and when the car is running, this thing somehow falls from its place, and that causes the car to misfire and cut off immediately, and it cannot be started again unless this thing is inserted, and this thing goes underneath over here, and its place is very deep in the engine bay, so you have to, when the car is running, of course the engine is very hot, and or you have to burn your hand trying to get this in place, or you simply have to wait for the car to cool down, but this may take hours. And I'm gonna disassemble all of this, and I'm gonna try to find a way for me to find a permanent solution for this problem. I'm gonna start with this thing, and after I'm gonna jump into the problem with the mirror over here. This blinker, it is gonna be for another time, and after I fix the mirror and the problem with the engine, I'm gonna try to find a solution to this problem. As you can see, the front bumper is tied with just a piece of cable. There are a lot of other issues, but they are not a big deal. For now, I'm gonna focus on these issues and the other one that is very annoying. I don't know if I've told you this, but the handle for the blinkers and the windshield wiper is actually starting to work whenever she pleases. Once you touch the blinker, if you engage left to right blinker, she starts immediately, and it doesn't stop. So I have to replace this thing, but after I do this, I think the car can be, as you can see, it doesn't close perfectly. It has problem over here as well. I'm gonna fix that. Let's start with this engine, and we'll see if I can get rid of this issue, because now the car can't even start and it is very annoying. So let's get busy. Surprise guys, as you can see, I wasn't able to unscrew these two screws, and these are the other two. They are actually broken, and I'm gonna have to find a solution to this problem as well. The other obvious problem is that there is no air filter. It has this replacement over here, but this is long gone, and there is no filter actually on this engine. I'm gonna have to deal with this as well. So guys, this was a filter at one point, but as you can see, everything that made this a filter is now gone. There is no way you can see all the dirt inside of here. Okay, so this thing has to be repaired. Apparently it won't be the easiest repair as I was hoping for, because this is this little valve that connects, actually this hose connects the injection system through this little valve over here, and when this is gone the car can start or work. But for me to install this properly, I have to remove the whole manifold as one, because this is mounted, as I showed you before, this is mounted underneath, and I have to remove the whole manifold and assemble the whole unit and put it back on its place, already assembled. And it is bothersome, but I don't have any other choice. So I don't know who decided to mount this thing without any security, like these metal straps that keeping this part. I should have had on this side as well. But anyway, I'm gonna try to deal with this issue now. So let's not waste any more time, and I'm just gonna try to figure out a way to disassemble all of this.